In today's video, I will show you how to give access to a Qualtrics survey. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, find the project you want to share, then click on the three dots beside it. From the drop-down menu, click on Collaborate. Setting up user collaboration is a vital feature for team-based research because it allows multiple stakeholders to work inside the same dataset simultaneously without compromising your master password security. In the search box, type the name, email address, or username of the person you want to grant access. If they are already a part of your organization, their profile will usually pop up instantly in a drop-down list. Once you see their details, click on Add Selected. You can choose to enter a custom message in the text box if you want to provide them with a bit of context, but it is completely optional, and then click Invite. Now you need to set permissions. Simply check or uncheck the individual boxes to strictly control what your collaborator can do, such as editing the survey design, viewing reports, copying the files, or distributing the link. Finally, click Save to confirm. Your colleague will receive an email notification right away, and the project will automatically appear inside their own Shared With Me tab on their main dashboard. And that's it. That's how you give access to a Qualtrics survey.